Hi everybody, today I will show you how to using macOS Catalina HD. This program is for deploying macOS Catalina 10.15 on SSD or HD. Only for the hard drive or the SSD. It's not for the USB drive because the program of macOS is already installed on the SSD. This method is for the deploy macOS on the drive. So if you are on this page, sorry my English guys, I try to do my best to explain to you on English. You have to read everything is on this page, and this is the video for the creation of this program. This video is, you have to click here to show the video. So to download the release, you have to here to download release the 1st March 2020. It's released today. So when you have download, just open the DMG image and you have to move on your desktop. So eject the image. Using this program, you need the zip security disabled on your Mac or your Macintosh, and you need also the gatekeeper disabled. So today I will show you with the HD external HD on a USB case. So I'm ready to start. So you have to read what is this program. So I have to continue. You have to click OK on each pop-up security on macOS Catalina. To using this program, you need the macOS Catalina to create the SSD deployable for macOS Catalina. Don't try macOS Catalina. Don't try to create the SSD of macOS Catalina on macOS Mojave. That's not working. So I will show you exactly the process you need to follow, guys. So you see here is the POS installer for the Macintosh user. So I select install macOS to starting with the program. You see the pop-up here, you have to click OK on each pop-up. So if you try to build the release, you select install macOS Catalina. So today I will show you the install macOS Catalina beta, the latest beta, the 10.15 beta 3. This is the beta 3, this is the latest beta. So I have to go on my desktop and select this image creation. Wait a few minutes, be patient, because I have to put the sorry, I have to put the app on the DMG image for the creation and for using auto DMG, because it's not working if you try without putting the app on the DMG image. So I will cut the video on the proceed installation, because I'm not stay on the video at 15 or 20 minutes. That's no sense, you know. So I have to cut the video and replay the video when the process continue. I hope you understand my English, guys. I'm French Canadian, and I do my best to explain to you on international language English. So I think my English is not really bad, but it's not perfect. So the image is almost complete. It's create on TMP install macOS dot sparse image. See here? So, restore macOS Catalina HD. Format your SSD or your hard drive on disk utility. To continue, you will have to exit the disk utility after the formatting the drive. So, this is my drive. So, I need to format the drive. So, I click on Mount here. And you have to click here on the entire drive. You click erase. So you erase on the grid partition map. You have to select APFS. So you rename the name of you want, HD USB, and you click erase. Select erase. So the erasing is complete. The drive is format on APFS. So you have to exit the disk utility to continue. You will see the image. The creation is here. So you have to put your installed macOS here and examining macOS 10.15.4. This is the build 19A242D. So you have to close this window here. It's not a problem, and you build with AutoDMG and the output DMG. Select on download, save on download. It's okay. This is the name. And you have to enter your password. And see here, you will have to exit AutoDMG at the end of the process to restore your disk image. Be patient now, because this proceed with AutoDMG is create the entire image for restore on the HD or SSD. So it's a long process. It's about 10, maybe 20, 25 minutes. Depends the speeds of your machine. This is you have to wait. This take a long time, you know. So I will cut the video and I will continue the video when the process is continue. The process works very good, so the installing OS is continue, and at the end you will compress the image and verifying image for restore, and that's it. So I will come back at the end with the video. See, now it's converting the disk image. So, and after you will verifying the disk image for the restorer. Now it's scanning the disk image. So it's almost complete. The image is already in the download, you see here. So you have to wait for the process complete done. So it's not really for a long time, but you have to wait. And after, I will save the log, and after the end of all proceed, I will save the log of macOS Catalina HD. So I know it's a long video, guys, but watch the video, all the video, because you need to watch all the things. So I will come back just at the end. So it's almost complete. I will see the log, and when it's finished, I will save the log on my desktop. So it's a big log. You can see all the process, guys, and you will see how it works. But it's a really great program, because you can deploy macOS Catalina 10.15 on SSD or hard drive. You not need to wait for the installation or everything's bad, you know. The image is restored, the build is successful, you know. So I will save the log. Okay, I will save the log on my desktop, and I have to quit here, and you have to quit AutoDMG to continue. So now select restore for restore macOS Catalina image on SSD or HD volume. Select cancel for exit. So I will restore, select restore. So my image is here, so I choose, and you have to choose the SSD or the hard drive. So this is my hard drive on the USB external case. So you see here, please confirm your choice and click OK. The source and the destination. The volume will be used for restore. OK. You see, the volume is renamed Catalina HD. So the restoration of the volume is not very long. It's about 3-4 minutes. It's not really long. So I will you see, volume is renamed Catalina HD, and after you have here on the window all process for the restore image on the hard drive. So I will back when it's finished, guys. The process complete. So see, just click complete, and you will see all the procedure on the installer. So I will save the log on desktop, save, and you can exit the program. So this is your Macintosh HD. I will show you guys on disk utility. Here you have the data partition. I will mount the data partition. I will show you on the Finder. This is the data, and here the Macintosh HD. So for the real Mac, this is done. You can boot on this drive with the external or internal. And for the Macintosh, you need to install Clover UEFI on that drive. So I will show you for the Macintosh the installation of the Clover boot. Okay, for the Macintosh user, you have to select the post installer Clover, that's it. And you click continue, change destination, you select your new Macintosh HD, and you have to select Clover UEFI, the driver of the recommend driver, yes. The human interface depends what you need, but you have to select here the APFS, the FAT, the HFS plus, and the memory fix. You have to select OS6 Apsio Fix DRV, and you can use Apsio memory fix, depend your system. 5 volt not additional driver. You can select OS6 Fat Binary and Partition DXA. Install the RC script on the target volume. Install the TEM and the KEX, the fake SMC. It's a mandatory driver for Macintosh, so the fake SMC is already on the Clover Special Edition. And you can select your internet, or if you're using a laptop, you have to select Voodoo PS2 controller. You can select also audio Apple ALC, and my internet is Intel Mousy here, Intel Gigabyte, and I will select install Clover preference band. So this is my choice. And if I don't want the fake SMC, you have to select a virtual SMC. You need the one or the other, because you need the fake SMC or the virtual SMC. So I will install on that choice to the Macintosh HD for the demonstration for the Macintosh user. So the real Mac, you don't need, you know guys, you don't need the Clover FE bootloader. So the drive is already complete for the real Mac. Now I will show you for the Macintosh and the UEFI installation. This is for the UEFI motherboard or UEFI laptop. So the config point plus on the UEFI is eMac 14.2 by default, and for the laptop it's MacBook Pro 9.2. So if you have a laptop, you have to change the default config point plus for the laptop one, you know, for complete the process for the final installation, because the installation of macOS Catalina is already complete. So you just need to create the user account to finish the installation, you know. So it's really fast to complete the user account. So I will show you here the FE partition for the Clover. You see here this one is for the laptop. So if you have a laptop, rename this one config.plus and rename this one config PC.plus. So the kex, I have select the kex for my installation. This is the fake SMC. I have select Intel Mozy, Lilu and Apple ALC. And the driver is here, the driver UEFI. This is the driver I have select, and the driver BIOS, it's here. So this is my video, guys. I hope you great macOS Catalina 10.15. So see you next time. Bye bye.